Oh, hey, Dr. WholeMind here. I've been looking at my own channel lately and realized something. It's not that the content's bad, it's that the system behind it wasn't calibrated. If you've been creating for a while, uploading, editing, posting, and hoping, only to watch your numbers flatline, you probably feel the same. The problem isn't that YouTube doesn't like you. The problem is that your content and your mindset are out of sync with the machine. So today, we're testing a process I call C-Cubed, the Creator Calibration Code. So by the end of this mission, you'll know exactly what's been holding your growth hostage and how to take command of your channel like a professional. So, most people think discipline is about doing more, but it's not. Real discipline is about doing what matters, especially when no one's watching. I learned that long before I ever built a business. It came from years of training that demanded precision, focus, and mental toughness. And that's what this is all about. Learning how to think, move, and execute with intent. Welcome to C3. You know, when most creators start, they actually have great ideas. They've got passion, heart, solid content, but their delivery, that takes time. If you're new to filming or editing, everything feels like chaos at first. You're not just learning to tell a story, you're learning lighting, audio, color grading, camera settings, editing software, and how to make your space look halfway professional. It's like trying to juggle while building the balls you're juggling with. And that's okay. Nobody starts smooth, they start messy. Every video teaches you something. How to light better, talk smoother, edit faster. But my goal with this channel and with C3 is to help you skip years of trial and error and grow faster by organizing that chaos into a system. When you're new, the tools feel like they're fighting you. Your mic fails, DaVinci crashes, lighting won't cooperate. That's normal, but it's not permanent. Because the more you build systems, simple, repeatable steps, the faster you stop fighting your tools and start flowing with them. When your creative world is disorganized, it drains focus. When it's calibrated, it compounds. When the mind is cluttered, creativity collapses. Clear the noise and the ideas return. That's calibration, and that's what we're building here. Okay, let's talk about the 8 reasons your channel is stuck. Reason number 1, creator bounce equals viewer bounce. So what does that mean? You upload, watch 20 seconds, and click off. You just told YouTube even you don't believe your own intro. The algorithm doesn't know why, it just knows you quit early. So it assumes everyone else will too. So, 3 moves to help with this. Number 1, pattern interrupt. Start with surprise, movement, sound, or tension. Number 2, instant payoff. Show value before your intro line. Number 3, preview the journey. Tell them what they'll get if they stay. Do that and watch time climbs instantly. Systems beat motivation every time. Okay, moving on to reason number 2, weak packaging. Your thumbnail and title are the front door. If they're cluttered or clever instead of clear, nobody even knocks. Think curiosity plus clarity plus contrast equals clicks. 1 main image, 1 promise, 0 confusion. Don't sell views, invite curiosity. Consistency isn't confinement. It's how freedom is forged. All right, let's talk about reason number 3. No retention rhythm. Attention has a pulse. Every 30 to 45 seconds, your video needs a beat, a visual switch, emotional shift, or question. Flat pacing is digital anesthesia. Rhythm keeps the brain awake. Build beats, angle change, cut, humor, pattern break, give the mind oxygen. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast, and stillness is strength. Okay, moving on to reason number 4, the broken promise. Your title makes a promise. The first minute must deliver it. Then the rest of the video must push further. Creators lose trust by clickbaiting. Viewers forgive mistakes, not manipulation. Promise, payoff, push further. Over-deliver, and YouTube measures that as satisfaction, the highest signal in its system. Calm isn't the absence of chaos, it's command over it. Okay, reason number 5. Inconsistency kills trust. Random uploads equals random data. The algorithm can't find rhythm if you don't have one. Pick a day, pick a time, and stick to it for 90 days. It's not about frequency, it's about reliability. When you become predictable, YouTube becomes promotable. Okay, reason number 6, overeducation overload. Information isn't impact. Most experts drown people in data and call it teaching. The brain doesn't remember bullet points, it remembers emotion. So structure every lesson as story, emotion, clarity. When people feel the lesson, they replay it, and the algorithm notices. Okay, reason number 7, no narrative. Every video is a journey. Setup, struggle, solution. Without that arc, there's no tension, no reason to finish. Tell stories even in tutorials. What was the problem? How did you discover the fix? What changed after? People don't want information, they want transformation. All right, on to reason number 8. No system equals no sustainability. Burnout isn't a badge, it's a broken system. Creators who depend on motivation eventually crash. Creators who depend on systems build freedom. Mindset, message, machine. That's C3. Lock them together and momentum becomes automatic. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Train it, master it, and free it. So mindset equals focus, message equals clarity, and machine equals automation. When those 3 align, growth isn't luck, it's math. Okay, let's talk about the 4 signals YouTube tracks most. Number 1, CTR, click-through rate. Goes to curiosity. Number 2, AVD, which is average viewer duration for value. Number 3, session time, goes momentum. Number 4, return viewers for trust. 4 simple numbers. Click-through rate gets the click. Average viewer duration keeps attention. Session time tells YouTube, this creator holds eyeballs. Return viewers say, this creator builds community. You don't need luck, you need alignment. Okay, moving over to the algorithm alignment map. C3 and the algorithm are partners. See, they're shaking hands. Mindset feeds return viewers through trust and consistency. Message drives click-through rate and average viewer duration through clarity and curiosity. Machine extends session time through automation and workflow. When you calibrate your system to theirs, growth becomes predictable. Okay, operational calibration. Now we operationalize it, your weekly battle plan. Right here. Monday, plan. Tuesday, shoot. Wednesday, edit. Thursday, you publish. Friday, you review. Saturday, you reflect on it. And then Sunday is a reset. Discipline builds momentum. Reflection builds wisdom. And repetition builds growth. Okay, on to the Creator's Command Center. Everything inside this loop is under your control. Mindset, message, machine, analytics. Outside of this loop is chaos, comparison, noise, doubt. Ignore what you can't control. Master what you can. When you run your channel like a system, you become the algorithm's equal. Okay, and finally, AAR, After Action Review. Every mission ends with reflection. What worked? What needs refinement? What will deploy next? So ask yourself, what was supposed to happen? What actually happened? And what will we do next time? Growth isn't a mystery. It's an after-action report. Systems beat motivation every time. So most people think success is about talent, about being the loudest voice in the room, but that's not how we were trained. In the Green Berets, we learned that confidence isn't built from hope, it's built from preparation. You don't wait for the moment to define you, you define the moment through your training. The Good Field Manual is that training, a framework built for creators, entrepreneurs, and leaders who want to operate with precision, purpose, and power. It's how you get up, over-deliver, and dominate without burning out, breaking down, or selling out.